In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wise Transfer Payment Receipt. If you need a clean proof of payment for reimbursement, accounting, or a compliance request, the Wise mobile app makes it quick to create and download a statement that shows your transfer details. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone so you're working right where your account activity lives. At the top of the screen, tap the profile icon. It usually looks like a small person or your avatar. This opens your account area where Wise keeps your documents and export options, not just your balances. In the Profile menu, choose Statements. This section is where Wise groups your downloadable records. It's the best place to generate a formal payment receipt for a specific time period or currency. Next, tap Create a Statement. You're about to build a custom document, so Wise will ask for a few preferences to make sure the statement includes exactly what you need. Pick the start and end date that cover the transfer you want to show. If you're after one specific payment, choose a narrow range to keep the statement tidy. If you're collecting multiple payments for a month or quarter, expand the dates to include them. Select the currencies you want on the statement. If the payment moved between currencies, include both. If it was a single currency transfer, selecting just that one helps keep the document focused. Choose your file format. PDF is ideal when you need a polished, shareable receipt that's easy to print or attach. CSV works well if you plan to analyze transactions in a spreadsheet or upload them to accounting software. Pick the one that suits how you'll use the document. Select the language for the statement so it matches what your recipient or organization expects. This is helpful for official requests where a specific language is required. When everything looks right, tap Generate. The app will compile your statement based on your selections, which may take a moment if you pulled a long date range. Finally, tap Download to save the file to your device. Your phone will store it in your Downloads or Files area where you can open, share, or send it as needed. If you ever need a different date or currency later, just repeat the same process to create another version. And that's it. You've created and downloaded a Wise Transfer Payment Receipt straight from the mobile app, ready to share or archive for your records.